This is the free motion quilting tutorial for matrix rays. This is a simpler form of matrix, and I'm actually stitching this on a larger scale so you can kind of see how that works. But this starts by first stitching straight lines across your space and then spacing them out however much you want. In this case, right now I'm stitching these about 1/2 inch apart. And 1/2 inch apart really is more than enough space to stitch with a bed quilt. So if you wanted something that wasn't very stiff and didn't have a real cardboard-like texture like most of my quilts have, then 1/2 inch will really work about the best. You're going to fill one whole side with straight lines. And this is actually a more simplistic form of matrix because instead of all wiggly lines you have one set of straight, and you could actually mark these if you wanted to. You could take a grid stencil template and just mark straight lines all across your quilt. Once you finish the whole set of straight lines, then you're going to branch out across them with wiggly lines. And it's a texture that's very similar to matrix, but it's a little bit more simplistic, and that's why I named it matrix rays. It's another variation, but it's one that I think any beginner could definitely tackle. And you can see how when stitched on this larger scale, it's definitely going to fill a large space with every pass. And here's what it looks like when you finish matrix rays. For over 150 videos on free motion quilting, go to daystyledesigns.com.